Magkano nga ba ang kailangan mong puhunan para makapag-invest ka sa stock market? Quick answer, depende sa company na gusto mong pag-investan. Let me try to explain further. The stock market is an umbrella term which covers all the publicly listed companies here in the Philippines. Like for example, Jollibee, SM, Ayala, BDO, BPI, Globe, Converge at marami pang iba. Now, each company sa stock market meron tayong tinatawag na market price at saka board lot. A market price is the price of the company shares. And normally, nag-iiba-iba yung presyo nito. Minsan umaangat, minsan bumababa. While the board lot on the other hand, ito yung minimum number of shares. Kasi nga naman, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta bumili lang ng isang share. Minsan, kailangan bumili ng at least 5, at least 10, at least 100. And the board lot is dependent on the market price. Let's say etong si BDO, ang kanyang market price right now is nasa 162.4. Ang board lot neto is 10 shares. So which means if you want to buy BDO at minimum, then you need to spend around 1,620 or 24. Kay SM Prime Holdings naman, 32.85 and 100 shares naman ang minimum board lot neto. So you need to spend around 3,300 pesos approximately. Kay Ayala Corp, close to 7,000. Si Mega World, mura lang, 2 pesos, pero kailangan mo ng around 2,100 pesos dito. So, what do you think?